Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to Shri Sai Guru channel. Today's question is from the topic areas related to circle. From the class 10 standard. The question taken from exercise 12.3. What is the question? In a figure, OACB is a quadrant of circle with center O and radius 3.5 centimeter. If OD is equal to 2 centimeter, find the area of quadrant OACB and shaded region. So in this figure, we need to calculate the area of the quadrant AOBC. This is a quadrant which is a 1 by 4th of the area of the circle, and we should calculate the area of the this shaded region. Two questions are there. Let us calculate this problem. See, look at here. Here, the area of the quadrant. So, quadrant means what? It is a 1 by 4th part of the area of the circle. So, you know that the quadrant makes 90 degree at center of the circle. So, therefore, I am writing here. Before that, we have to write what is the data. Given radius is equal to 3.5 centimeter, and one more is what? The line segment OD is equal to 2 centimeter. So we know that the quadrant makes 90 degree at center of the circle. So therefore here what? The central angle theta is equal to how much? 90 degree over, because we know that the sector area is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. So here the quadrant also one of the sector of the circle. So therefore use the formula area of sector is equal to area of quadrant also sector, no? Yes, area of quadrant OACB is equal to what? Theta by 360 degree into pi r square. Let us substitute all. 90 degree divided by 360 degree into 22 by 7 into 3.5 into 3.5. So 91 is 94 is again here what? 2 2 is 2 11 is 7 1 is 7 into 0.5 is. So next step is what? Let us simplify this. That is equal to 11 into 0.5 into 3.5 divided by 2. So 11 into 0.5 is 5.5 into 3.5 divided by 2. So 5.5 into 3.5 is, let us calculate 5.5 into 3.5 using calculator. I am using calculator there. It is equal to 19.25 divided by 2 centimeter square. So this is the area of the quadrant. You can simplify, you will get what? 9 point something there. So this is what? Therefore area of quadrant OACB is equal to 19.25 divided by 2 centimeter square. Okay. So what about the second question? We have to calculate what? Area of this region. So we observe diagram. So area of this region is equal to area of the quadrant minus area of the triangle. What kind of triangle is this? This is a right angle triangle, because already we know that angle at center O is equal to 90 degree. So this is what? BDO is a right angle triangle. So we know that the formula to find the area of the triangle, that is half into base into height. So let us do the area of the shaded region. Yes, next part. Area of shaded region, that is equal to what? Area of quadrant minus area of triangle Which triangle that is? Triangle, the name of triangle is DOB. Yes, the name of triangle is DOB. So area of quadrant is, we already found that 19.25 by 2 minus the area of the triangle is half into base into height. Yes, 19.25 by 2 minus 1 by 2 into, what is the base here? The base of the triangle is BO. BO is how much? 3.5 centimeter. This is 3.5 centimeter, and the height is what? DO is 2 centimeter. So 1 by 2 into 3.5 into 2 centimeter. Understand? Yes. Let us do calculation. 19.25 divided by 2 minus. So here 3.5 into 2 is 7. Yes, it is 7. 2 5 is 10, and yes, correct. 7 divided by 2. Oh, what is the answer? 2 is the LCM. 2 is the LCM. Yes, 19.25 minus 7. So 19.25 minus 7 is how much? That is equal to 12.25 divided by 2. Yes, centimeter square. So this is what? The area of the shaded region. Yes, I hope you understand this video. Okay, like, comments, and subscribe Shri Sai Guru channel. Thank you.